Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this lecture. What does success in business really mean? Success in business means that while doing what is your natural inclination or something which you love doing, you should be able to, number one, enhance your cash flow within the regulatory frameworks, laws, and with an exemplary service so that your customers will prefer you over your competitors. Number two, provide an increasing number of customers with great value at a cost which will make the activity more profitable for you. Number three, collaborate with other businesses in the market which will share the clients with you. In this way, your business and these businesses can serve a wider audience with complementary services or products. Else, you can collaborate with other businesses to offer new products or services that will be a result of co-creation and have a broader spectrum of value proposition. In order to achieve these objectives, we have to first understand the 8 key dimensions which will help you in unlocking the value to an increasing number of customers over time while making your business more efficient and cost effective. In the next section, I will provide an overview of the 8 key dimensions, and after that I will explain the transactional model of business. Once you have understood the transactional model of business thoroughly, I will again explain all the 8 dimensions from various perspectives so that you can optimize your business along these dimensions. In the end, you will be able to truly transform your business inside out by developing a clear strategy by using the blueprint which I have provided at the end of the course. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the next lecture.